Legal experts warned Eric Trump's statement that he did not do any favor that threatens to lower the Trump Organization in the New York. Eric Trump, his brother Donald Trump Jr. before him. He repeatedly accused company's accountants for exaggerated financial statements that made company responsible for a summary decision that found family before hearing began. His testimony ended early on Friday to testify to his father's hearing on Monday. Former U.S. lawyer Harry Litman said, "Eric is over for that day and left the stand that the stand was beaten badly." Is. Litman added, "The trial is surrounded by a series of unforgettable moments, maybe 10 or more. Surrounded by many incidents." CNN legal analyst Elie Honig said on Friday that the statement was really bad for Eric Trump, and that his father could complicate his appearance at the booth next week. When assigned more a year ago, Fifth when appointed more than a year, would not answer anything other his name, and entitled to take the fifth place, said. But the world has changed for Donald Trump. He continued. At that time, all these rotating criminal investigations. None of the 4 indictments we have landed at the moment. The world was a little more uncertain for him. 1 year and then change was not accused 4 things. None of this, especially if it takes the 5th. It will protect itself against any these cases that return to life. Honig warned Trump, he said. They took a stand and saying something that attracted the attention of prosecutors. And maybe they may think we should filed a criminal case for the risk of taking the 5th is that the judge in this case can say that I use it against you. New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James. Eric and Donald Jr. in a video published on social media. Their families claim that they are not involved in Ulant work. He said, but the facts tell a very different story. Do you want all the news and comments offered by the Hall to be completed on a daily basis? Before our investigation, he insisted that his father had never heard of his financial statements. Eric Trump said, he told us that his job is only to pour concrete. However, he tells a different story. Many times during the years, Eric Trump worked on his father's financial statements. He took part close to saying. James ended with a warning to the former president before his appearance next week. Next week, Donald Trump himself will take a stand. And I am sure he'll try to hide the injustices behind insults, threats, names behind the call.